Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today, myself, Karen, and the lovely Leo are going to be showing you our brand new creative make. This one is called the Celebrate with Love Champagne Bottle Gift Box. So a wonderful gift box.
It really is. Super cute this
So many words.
I know.
I was stumbling over that, I have to say.
Celebrate with Love Champagne Bottle Gift Box. I mean, we've talked about the names of things before. I'm sure our manager hates us and does it just because he likes torturing us when we're down here.
I think so. I think so.
That's what it is.
But this one is adorable.
It is.
It's for so many occasions.
Mm-hmm.
Let's have a little look at the dies first.
Any celebration, basically.
Exactly. I mean, an 18th birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, anything. 18, 21. What do we celebrate for things like that? Engagements, weddings. You give a champagne
Graduation,
bottle.
new job, passed your driving test. All of these things. A new home you give a bottle for. Anything you give a bottle for. But it doesn't even have to be just a bottle.
No.
We've had people say it looks like a guitar case.
It does.
Or a violin case.
Yeah.
What else did someone say? I think someone said it looks like a tennis racket or some kind of racket
yes,
as well.
That's right.
Some kind of sporting apparatus, as it were. So yeah, lots and lots of options this. And it is one of our lovely little create and make die sets. So these are super cute. They fit on your medium size magnets into your medium die storage folders.
And indeed, that comes with one, doesn't it?
It does indeed, yes. We've forgotten to mention that.
about that.
We've hidden one strategically in the studio so we never forget. So yeah, it will come with your magnet, which is obviously a double-sided magnet, and it is, hopefully you can actually see inside the plastic there, you do have your little wallet ready just to slip it straight into your binder as well. So like we said with the one that we launched last month, if you are sort of starting your Create and Make collection from scratch, as it were, grab yourself a medium-sized binder and you can just slip these in every month as they arrive.
Fantastic.
Start your storage and organisation off with your collection. Makes it so much easier than going back.
It does, it really is, and you do love to organise. It has to be said.
What can I say? So let's have a look then at this beautiful little die set. I mean, we say little, but again, look how many dies you get. It is rammed full. Obviously, full instructions inside your wallet as well on exactly how to create your lovely little champagne bottle, guitar case, sporting racket, whatever you're choosing to make with it. And here is your die set. So your main bottle shape you can see in here. So we've obviously got the base and the lid. You've then got the pieces to form the outers to make it 3D. You've got a lovely little cork detail. You've got the little wrapper that goes around the top. You've got other decorative pieces. You've got little, I want to call these like wingtips.
Oh, yes.
Do you know what I mean? The little bits that go.
The ribbon tails.
Yes, exactly, for where it's like sealed at the top. You've got lovely little flowers in here. We've got this cute little die here. I think this is for like a little tag. So it's got a die cut heart and then a deboss heart top and bottom. You've got a lovely sentiment across the middle that says celebrate, and then a tag that says with love.
That's perfect.
Exactly.
I mean, celebrate could be anything, couldn't it?
Exactly.
It does
Any
leave
occasion.
it wide open for you that you can just put anything else with it. You can add anything onto that.
I've just noticed, so this little heart, there's a star version as well. So you've got a die-cut star and a little deboss star, top and bottom. And then there is adorable. A swirly version to go with all of your lovely swirly patterns too.
Lovely.
So lots and lots of decoration and options in here. And like we said, so many occasions that this is going to work for. And a cute little gift box. So what are you going to put into your champagne bottle?
Guitar case.
Guitar case.
Violin case.
Violin case, yeah. Is it just money? Are you busking?
Oh, but it could be a gift, couldn't it? It could be. You don't know what that person drinks. So you give them a bottle with some money in it. have a drink on us.
Exactly.
That would be good.
That's a very good idea because we don't always know what people drink.
We do not.
I don't really drink champagne.
No.
I have a lot of bottles of champagne from the aforementioned events that I've never opened because I don't really drink the stuff.
No, not me.
Which is a little bit awkward. I think for our wedding we got like 10 bottles. We don't drink champagne. We do drink, I'm sorry, I should really correct myself there. But we don't drink champagne. It's not something that either of us particularly enjoy. So
shall we have a little look at what we've got?
Let's. Where should we start?
I'll go with the ones that we made for the
packaging.
Well,
yeah,
Al made for the packaging.
Yes,
I should
indeed.
say. I should stress that I haven't made any of these.
So here is your lovely, let's get it in shot, little gift box. So you can see we've got all of those beautiful decorations around the side.
Oh, that's nice.
Your lovely cork piece. There's your wingtips, as I said. Your ribbon tails with that cute little die on the top. It's decorated across the side as well. And this goes all the way around. So this helps to hold it closed, as does your belly band here. So you slip that one off. We slip this one off. This has been in our office for a little too long.
Yeah, it does tend to, we lose some of our glue.
We do after a little while. So there is your gift box. So a good size. I'm pretty sure you could get a gift card in there.
Yes. Oh, I wish I had one with me.
We need to make sure we
one
have
down here.
stumped gift cards, don't we?
Yes, we do.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure you can get a gift card in there. You can definitely get money in there.
Yeah.
I mean, you can slip money into basically anything. But
I just think that would be such a good idea, though. A couple of chocolates, bit of money, and have a drink on us.
That's it. Yeah, 20 quid, a couple of Lindor balls.
Absolutely.
Winner of a gift in my eyes.
Oh, definitely. I would love that.
So lovely.
Choose my own alcohol.
Oh, yes, please. Lovely little gift box. I'm just going to slip this back over the top. So his little neck piece goes on, little belly band goes on.
Oh, it's adorable.
And there is your box back together.
There's the other one that's off the packaging. What I love about this is the way Al has cut the flowers. So this is our mulberry wine paper pack that she's used here, and she's actually made the box out of it, the base box out of mulberry wine.
Take these pieces off. We can have a look at those close up in a second. So she actually used, I love this, ribbon around the edge rather than putting on the die. I like that. But yeah, the actual box itself is all made from our beautiful
mulberry wine paper, which of course is 200 GSM, so it's
perfectly
sturdy enough for a small box.
That's it.
But it curves nicely because it's the thicker paper rather than a cardstock. But she did make this one out of cardstock, so it's not like you can't use it. I mean, I would suggest a thinner weight cardstock like our classic. Do you know, I can never think of the name of it. Our classic, which is 216 GSM. So there's not much difference between the weight of the cardstock there and the weight of the paper as well.
Yeah, exactly.
But the way Al has cut those flowers, so she's lined the die up with the centre of the flower is just ingenious.
Love that. And then again, we've got that lovely mulberry wine paper for the little... This would be a... It's like the foil, isn't it, that goes around the top of your bottle to seal it. And then this one, same again, so those flower centres in there. Good. A little with love tag, and just a couple of the gold swirls.
I was going to say the swirls look beautiful underneath, just poking out of that.
Really, really cute.
Fabulous.
Love them.
Should we have a look at a card next?
Let's. So if you are not needing a gift box maybe, or
you want a matching card,
how about this? Look at this one with all those beautiful flowers across there. Lots of gold and bling, because obviously if you're celebrating you need to bring out your blingy card, don't you?
You do.
I mean, I think some pew pew paper would work beautifully with one of these as
Amazingly well.
So we have no name on this, so I don't know who has done this for us. So if this is you, thank you very much. It's a beautiful card. I really like the white on white as well going on here.
And I like the effect of the flowers looking like they're swirling around.
Yeah, very, very clever.
Just keep cutting.
Just keep cutting, exactly.
Beautiful,
lots and lots of little flowers there. Very, very pretty card. Love that one.
Yep, thank you.
So I have another kind of a matching set here. So I'm actually going to bring these all in together. So we have kind of a little matching set of 3 here. So we've got a gift box, a little card, and then this one is like a little gift tag, wallet, situation going on as well. So I think this is from Ruth. So a lovely little set here. So here is our little gift box. So this one I think has been made, I'm going to say it might even be a 300, maybe a 240.
Yeah, it's quite thick. It does feel like a 300, which is nice to know that that can be curved and hold its shape.
Yeah, definitely. Lined on the inside as well. Very pretty. I'm loving the colour scheme that we've got going on here with the teal and the gold. Yeah. Very nice. It's decorated all around the edge as well. And then, let me get this back on. Here we go. A lovely little card too. So we've got the little vellum flowers on the front. I think
beautiful. I love vellum for flowers.
Me too. Very, very delicate. Little tag coming off there, and this has just been cut. So you fold, score and fold a piece of cardstock, hang your die slightly over the edge so you're not going to cut off the scored line basically. And yeah, you get yourself a nice little shaped card from any shaped die that you have basically. Yeah. Very, very smart. And then just a little gift wallet, so where the band sits across, you've then got a little pocket for your tag to sit in.
Nice.
Lovely little set. Thank you very much for that one, Ruth.
And Al's made another one.
She
was feeling creative yesterday, I think.
Yeah, she was in the zone.
She was. So she cut us our prep pack for today, and she also made another bottle for us as well to show. And I think it's adorable.
I do.
That bubblegum pink and the not sea salt, pistachio.
Yeah.
Pistachio green and the ivory white with that looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Really like that one. I love all the swirls on the edges as well.
Aren't they
very
beautiful?
Pretty. Just with a couple of flowers. Very, very cute. So hopefully this has given you a couple of ideas for using that box. I've got 2 more cards. Can I get that to stand up? Oh, yes. Back away slowly. Don't touch the desk. So I've got another card here. This one is a very blingy shaker card. Look at all of that. This is definitely a real celebration going on here.
So you've got one of our shaker pockets.
Yep.
Over the front of the card. And then the champagne bottle stuck on the front there.
Very nice.
And quite simple as well. Quite a simple way to make a card, because the champagne bottle is such a big element on there. You don't really need anything else.
It's your really big focal point, and it's also your sentiment. So very nice. I love the stars as well. Love a shaker card. Okay,
and our last one for my last trick.
Ta-da! And I love this. There are some very classic champagne bottles going on here with the red and the black.
Yeah.
Just a nice simple background. 3 little bottles on the front there. It's a real celebration.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we could have left this piece off and made like beer bottles or something like that out of it.
Yes, we probably could actually.
That would have been nice.
You do get beer in bottles like this as well, don't you?
Yeah.
Good idea. Okay, you having the good ideas today.
I don't know what's wrong. I'm going to go and have a sit down, I think.
You probably should. So that is our Create and Make for this month. It is available now on our website, so make sure you go and snag that. I want to say it's $14.99.
I think that's about right. The price will be
somewhere here.
I thought it was down the bottom.
Here.
Oh,
no,
right, okay.
it's up here now.
Right, okay,
so the price for sure will be up here, but it's around
I
there.
thought it was $14.99, but I didn't want to say.
Something like that. So yeah, go and grab this from our website now. The links will be in the description below for you, so you can grab one for yourself.
Yes. Don't forget, if you are a Craft Kit subscriber, you will get 10% off all of these brand new launches as well.
Absolutely crazy.
Yeah, along with everything else in the store. If you do want to add some more things into your basket and you think you may need to spread that cost, you can pay in installments with ClearPay, ShopPay or PayPal. There will be one in your area. Do not forget the most important thing that we say every single time. Tag us in your makes. We love to see what you're making. We love to see what you do. You inspire each other. You inspire us as well. And it's just, let's keep it going.
That's it. And we love to show off your makes on our weekend show as well with our lovely show and tell segment. So if you haven't been to one of our live shows on a Friday afternoon, make sure you check in one of those as well.
because it could be your item that we're watching.
Could well be.
Your project, your lovely thing that you've spent so many hours putting all that love and attention into.
Exactly.
Amazing. If you like this kind of content, please give us a little like, perhaps subscribe to our channel, and if you hit that notification bell,
Ding!
we will be live for you, like magic. You will be informed when we do upload a new video, or when, of course, we go live. I think that's it for us today.
I think it is.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. It's always a pleasure to have you with us in our little basement here. Happy crafting!